In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and manage a side hustle using Notion. Whether you're starting a new venture alongside your main job or exploring a passion project, Notion can be a powerful tool to help you organize your thoughts, plans, and actions. Now, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected Notion workspace. This is the hub for your wiki, documents, and project management. If you haven't already signed up, you can easily create an account. If you're a returning user, just click on Log In. This step will bring you into your Notion home. Here you'll have access to all your existing projects, notes, and any organizational systems you've put into place. Once you're at the home screen, your next action is to click on Templates. This area is filled with pre-designed setups that can save you a lot of time. Templates are particularly helpful for sidestepping the often time-consuming process of creating a structure from scratch. Notion offers a wide variety of templates tailored to different types of projects, including side hustles. Now, in the template section, use the search bar to look for side hustle. Typing this in will filter the options to present you with templates specifically designed to help manage and organize your side project. These templates are equipped with sections for scheduling, to-do lists, budgeting, and tracking your progress, which can be vital for staying on top of your new business or project. After you've scanned through the options, you'll want to select a template that best fits your needs. Spend a moment considering what aspects of your side hustle you need most help organizing. Is it the timeline of tasks? Or do you need a stronger focus on financial tracking? Pick the one that covers the bases most relevant for you. Once you've made your choice, you can easily click on Add to bring that template into your workspace. This action integrates the template with your work environment, so you can start adapting it immediately. Finally, it's time to edit the template to suit your specific side hustle requirements. This is where you personalize and tailor all the sections. Remove any components you don't need, add any unique categories that are specific to your project, and start filling in details. Perhaps you'll want to modify the task deadlines, input your budget, or add links to external resources. With these adjustments, the template becomes an exact fit for your venture, providing a streamlined and organized approach to achieving your side hustle goals. And there you have it. With these steps, you can transform Notion into a personal assistant for your side hustle, keeping everything in line and helping you make steady progress. Thanks for watching and happy hustling.